How to change high contrast keyboard color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, you will see second option is Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, scroll down and you will see click on High Contrast Keyboard. After click on High Contrast Keyboard, make sure turn on High Contrast Keyboard button. So you will see 4 different contrast keyboard is here, so you will select keyboard from here. So after select keyboard, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change high contrast keyboard color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.